If you're just getting started with credit in 2025, choosing the right beginner credit card can make a huge difference. Whether you're a young adult, a new immigrant, or someone rebuilding your financial life, the first card you choose will help shape your credit future. But not all starter cards are created equal. Some come with hidden fees, low limits, or no real rewards, while others offer real value, smart tools, and a clear path to better credit. In this video, we're sharing the top 5 credit cards for beginners in the USA that are honestly worth it. These are real, tested options that help you build your credit score, earn useful cashback, and avoid the usual traps beginners fall into. No fluff. Just cards that give you real benefits, easy apps to manage your spending, and trusted names behind them. So whether you're starting from zero or trying to level up your credit game, watch this video till the end. I'll explain each card in a simple way, with full transparency, so you can choose what actually works for your life and goals. The Pedal 2 card is one of the best modern credit cards for beginners who don't have a credit history. What makes it special is that Pedal doesn't rely only on your credit score. It looks at your income, spending habits, and bank account history to decide approval. That means even if you're brand new to credit, you still have a fair chance. This card offers 1% cash back right from the start. As you make on-time payments, you can earn up to 1.5% cash back on all purchases, automatically. You also earn extra cash back at select merchants through Pedal offers. There are no annual fees, no late fees, no foreign transaction fees, and no hidden charges. Everything is simple and transparent. It's built with beginners in mind. No tricks, just clean tools to help you learn and grow. Pedal 2 reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, so your responsible use directly helps build your credit history. The mobile app is beginner-friendly and gives you budgeting tools, spending insights, and alerts to help you stay on track. If you're someone with no credit or limited credit and want a smart, modern, and fee-free card that grows with you, the Pedal 2 is one of the best cards to start with in 2025. Chase Freedom Rise SM Credit Card. The Chase Freedom Rise is a solid 2025 option for absolute beginners, especially those who want to build credit without a cosigner and still earn real cashback. You get 1.5% cashback on every purchase, no rotating categories, no activation needed. That means whether you're buying groceries, filling up gas, or just grabbing coffee, you're earning simple, unlimited rewards. It's made for people new to credit, even with no credit history. And if you already have a Chase checking account with a balance, your approval chances increase. It's a smart trick many students and first-time applicants use to get started. There's no annual fee, and after 6 months of on-time payments, you'll automatically be considered for a credit limit increase, which helps boost your credit score. It also comes with zero fraud liability, free credit score monitoring, and access to the Chase app, which is one of the best in the industry for managing payments, alerts, and spending. For 2025, the Chase Freedom Rise SM is a highly recommended real-world option that combines easy cashback, strong digital tools, and a trustworthy bank name, all in one card for beginners. Card number 3, Upgrade Cash Rewards. Visa. The Upgrade Cash Rewards Visa is a newer, beginner-friendly card that works like a mix between a credit card and a personal loan, but in a very user-friendly way. It's perfect for people just starting out with credit because it offers clear payment terms and real cashback. You earn 1.5% cashback on all purchases. No categories, no caps, no gimmicks. What makes it different is that your purchases are automatically converted into monthly installments, which helps you manage your budget better and avoid running up debt. You pay it down like a fixed monthly plan, which is easier for many beginners. There's no annual fee and no security deposit required. Approval is based on your credit profile and income. And Upgrade often approves people with limited credit history. The app is super simple to use, and you get free credit score updates, spending alerts, and account insights. Plus, it reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, helping you build credit with every on-time payment. If you're new to credit but want something that gives control, cashback, and credit-building power in a clean and modern package, the Upgrade Cash Rewards Visa is a top choice for 2025. Card number 4, Navy Federal N Rewards Secured Credit Card. If you're eligible to join Navy Federal Credit Union, military members, veterans, or family members, then this card is a powerful and safe way to start building credit. It's a secured card, but it's packed with real rewards and credit-building benefits that most